In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal finance tracker in Notion. This simple Notion tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to keep track of their finances in an organized and efficient way. So let's dive right in. To get started, open Notion on your computer or device. To set up your finance tracker, the first thing you'll need to do is open a new page. You can do this by navigating to the left-hand pane where you'll find the option to create a new page, usually denoted by a plus sign or a button labeled Add a Page. Once you're on this new page, you're ready for the next step. The next phase involves inserting a table database. In Notion, table databases let you create structured and handy charts that can hold all sorts of information in a neat, organized fashion. On your new page, you'll see an option to insert different types of content, usually at the top of your screen. Select Table from the options provided. When you do this, Notion will automatically insert a basic table. This is where you'll be entering all your financial data. Now let's customize this table to suit our financial needs. You'll want to add columns for key financial categories. Start by renaming the existing column headers. Click on the column heading and type Income for your first column. This will track all the money you bring in. Next, add a column for Expenses, which will track all the money going out. For the third column, we'll label it Category. This is crucial for sorting expenses into types, such as bills, groceries, or entertainment. Lastly, create a column for the date. This will help you keep track of when the transaction occurred, making it much easier to relate income and expenses to specific time periods. The final piece of our finance tracker is using formulas to calculate totals and your overall balance. Formulas in Notion are quite powerful and will enable you to perform calculations across rows or columns. Select an empty field below your income column and create a new formula to calculate the total income. Do the same for your expenses column. This way, you can always see at a glance how much you're earning and spending. To display your balance, simply set up another formula that subtracts the total of the expenses from the total income. This essential feature will provide a clear and immediate snapshot of your financial situation. And there you have it, a functional and simple personal finance tracker in Notion. By following these straightforward steps, you've built a system that helps you keep tabs on your finances effortlessly. So each time you open your tracker in Notion, you'll be well informed about your financial health and you can make smarter decisions. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you have fun exploring Notion even further.